What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will be telling you guys how to add a sign up form in your landing page of your website. But there, the process is very simple, easy, and to the point. So, first thing is make sure that your landing page is attached to your and published on your domain. If it isn't, then make sure you check out our video in our channel to see that how to do it. So first thing first, click on the link in the description, log in with your official account, and then what you have to do is to go to the form option. So when you go to the forms, you will see there will be a sign up form. Other than that, you can actually go to the campaigns, and here you can see your landing pages. For example, I have one in my marketing. And then what you can do is to click on edit content, and after that you will be able to add different sort of blocks, even some sort of forms. For example, here I have already added a content form. Just go to the content and you will be able to see the form. Here you can see that I can edit my first name, last name, all those things that I want to add in the sign up form. If I want to add email address, all that stuff, your physical addresses, phone number, birthday, company, all the stuff, and then I can save and close the option. So that is how I can add the custom sign up form on my landing page. But you make sure that you publish your landing page on your domain in order to embed it with your website. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye.